Welcome to the Rehm booth here at SMTA Guadalajara. I'm delighted to be joined by Luis Garcia, who's the General Manager in Mexico.
Yes,
Welcome.
Thank you, Trevor, for coming, visit us. We are happy to be here.
Okay, so tell us a little bit about the Rehm footprint for Reflow ovens here in Mexico. What is your prime seller? Because Rehm do a number of products. You do vapor phase, you do vacuum ovens, you do regular reflow. What are the main sellers here in Mexico?
Yes, we do, as you say, mainly we manufacture reflow ovens, convection and vapor phase. Two, we have dispensing, conformal and curing ovens. But in Mexico, our main market is for automotive market, where we have reflow ovens. And the last 2 years, a lot of vacuum systems on reflow ovens. It's the more demanding machines right now.
Right, okay, and this is because obviously a lot more of the assemblies are using BGAs and they need to reduce the voiding.
Yes, that is one reason. And another because the actual automotive demand is to have small voids, a few amount of voids on bigger components with a high amount of current and that specific big complex boards. Then you need to reduce the voids, and the best way to do it is with a vacuum chamber.
Right.
And we offer the best machine on this section.
Now I notice in another part of the booth you've got some assembly that seems to show the vacuum chamber outside of the machine.
Yes, because we pretend to show the basic machine, the reflow oven, but we want to show on detail how is our vacuum chamber, what are the main characteristics, how well is constructed this vacuum chamber, and is what we want to show to our customers here.
Okay. So what are the key characteristics attract customers to want to buy Rehm? Why do they buy Rehm here in Mexico?
Well, mainly because we have lines with 24 hours by 7 running, high demand, high volume, and our machines fit very good with the process that machines always running with high quality and with very low maintenance levels is what Rehm is offering to the customers. Right. And our team in Mexico is strong. We have 4 engineers to support our customers, and we have spare parts here in Guadalajara. Then we want to do a good support to the customer, not only selling good machines, but be part close to the customer to good support.
Yeah, no, that's good. I mean, so the stability and repeatability of the process is important. I think one of the things that helps is, as I recall my memory of looking at these machines in Germany, you have independent control over the blowers for each zone.
Yes, because now we are using a new electronic control motors that can have each one control on speed, and we can monitor each blower. If will fail, we'll report temperature, vibration, consumption of energy. Then it's one of our characteristics.
Right. Okay, great. Well, it's great to see that Rehm is doing so well here in Mexico, Luis. So thank you very much for showing us the machine today and telling us about all your activities down here.
Thank you, Trevor. You are very welcome. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.